For these guys up here, the band, they are amazing.
We're sweating, that's what we're doing.
Most of us in this band have been performing together for about 37 years, so...
Straight.
Long time. Really long time.
Long time.
Thank you.
So listen, we've got some kids up here, we need some adults, and usually this is the point of the show when I say we need some women. Because it's a woman's song.
See, he's been saying that for 37 years.
It's an appropriate song for girls to sing with us.
Oh, men like it too.
Alright, well, if a man wants to come up and sing with us too, but we really like women to come up and do this because it's a chick song, that's bottom line. It's not sexist, it's just true. So.
Alright, it's a chick song.
So, alright, which one of you ladies is going to come up? Come on, 2 or 3 you can come up.
But which song is it?
I'm not going to tell you, they got to come up.
I don't even know what I'm
Here's
going
our
to
first.
sing.
Here's our first. Come on, now there's a couple more you guys want to come up. Come on, come on. Well, we need somebody over 18. You got to be over 18, so. Hey, come on up, Mom. Come on up.
Shelly. All right, Shelly. Big hand for Shelly.
Come on, Mom.
What's your name?
Morella.
Morella. That's a nice name.
And we've got one more
here.
She's over 18.
All right, ladies.
What's your name, please? Jeanette.
All right, Joe, get that microphone over for them. All right, let me ask you, is anybody here from Liechtenstein? Liechtenstein? No? Liechtenstein. There's Liechtenstein. So he knows this story. Lori did some research before there was an internet. That's how long Lori's been researching things. That's why she's the Jeopardy queen. But in
57, the year I was born.
57, ladies, this song was the national anthem of Liechtenstein. We decided we were going to do some country music, but we decided instead of doing the United States, we do some other countries. So we do Liechtenstein, we do Argentina, and we do Peru. I think we do a song from Peru, so stick around for all those. But this next song, girls, just check that mic, Shelly. Just say check.
Check.
All right, girls, just everybody, you're going to have to sing on this one, okay?
Now, what is this, Steve?
It's from Liechtenstein. It was the national anthem of Liechtenstein for 6 months in 1957. So anybody from Liechtenstein, that gentleman over there, he knows the Liechtenstein salute.
That's why he's standing next to the statue.
That's right, that's right. He's ready for this one.
All right, I'm ready.
You girls ready?
We're all ready. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? I've been put down, I've been pushed round. When will I be loved? Well, I'm not a new man that I want for all night. It always breaks my heart in two. It happens every time. I've been made blue, I've been lied to. When will I be loved? That's it. Well, I found a new man that I want for all night. Always breaks my heart in two. It happens every time.
Come on, ladies.
I've been cheated. Sing it. Been mistreated. When will I be loved? When will I be loved? Bring it home. Tell me, when will I be loved?
Give it up for the ladies!
Give it up. Awesome job. Thank you so much. What is it?
All right, nice
Steve,
job.
what was that?
That was just an English Newmark.
Thank you so much.
All right, you guys, give it up for the girls. They did a nice job. See, Lori, this is why we need professional women up here to do this with us. This is what it's all about. You guys did a great job. We'll have the guys up, too, in a little bit. What do you think, Joe?